Light pathaliyo. Light pathaliyo. Sayidallana light potran. Light podba.
Like everyone knows, today here I'm, just introducing myself and about my movies. So thank you so much that everyone came here to support me and to know and to reach people. So thank you so much for that. So let's begin.
Just speak about yourself. How you came into the industry and what you did in Marumugam and what you did in Veerukoyiraaga. You just answer it first, then they will start asking questions.
Okay. So I start from the beginning now. I came here for Marumugam movie, which is like Entertainment Unlimited panel. They called me for just for audition, so that's how I just landed here. And there was like yes or no for me that time, and I really thought yes, I want to do in Tamil cinema. I want to be in Tamil cinema, so that's how I came here. And I got the Marumugam project through John sir. Again, Veerukoyiraaga, which is Vijay Manoj Kumar director's voice there. Again, John sir giving me that project, so that's how I started.
Ninga kelvigal, you can shoot questions.
Sorry? இல்ல அப்படி இல்ல
கார்த்திக் வாங்கி கொடுத்தாலும் நடிப்பேன்.
என்ன ரோல் பண்றீங்க?
Experience, yes, I should say this first. என்னன்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எனக்கு தமிழே தெரியாது முன்னாடி. இப்போ ஒரு at least in a 1.5 years something is like that now. I should say from the Marumugam, director Kamal sir, he taught me like anything. Before I guess I used to do modeling and all, but Tamil experience like என்ன சொன்னேன்னா ரொம்ப டிஃப்ரெண்டா இருக்கு. Like everyone likes Tamil cinema. South Indian தான் ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும் எல்லாருக்கும். ஏன்னா நார்த்ல நீங்க பஞ்சாப்ல பாருங்க, ஆக்சுவலி அவ பஞ்சாபி, so that's why. So அங்க என்னன்னா ஷாருக் கான் பாருங்க, தீபிகா பதுக்கோன் பாருங்க, எல்லாம் they want to be from the Tamil, they want to start from there. So comes to me, I really love that, and my experience with this, I don't know why I'm so attached with this. So I should say my experience is very pretty cool in Tamil industry, I should say, and I really hope that it will be like that. அப்படி சொல்ல முடியாது. I want to act with anyone, so like everyone, all the heroes, nothing is like that. Sorry? I should say glamour plus homely. And my actually character like real life, so I go for both.
What he asked, the actress from Bombay, they are always going for glamour characters. So what about you? You are comfortable with the glamour?
Yes, I am comfortable with that.
And why the Bombay people, they are choosing glamour only?
Why? See, it's about the think, I should say. What they think, it's like they have a beauty, they have everything. I'm not saying South India don't have beauty. They have much, we appreciate, but they are more comfortable to do that. If you ask me, it's my opinion, nothing else.
What's your expectation in Tamil cinema?
Expectation is be in top.
What kind of role you want to play?
Sorry?
What kind of roles you want to do?
What kind of? It's like, see, I need glamour, yes, because somewhere I feel it's important in our career. And in stories, in scripts, it's like that for me. So I go for, homely also, I should say.
What he is asking.
Yeah, so many. They know everyone. Simran,
Yeah.
Khushbu ma'am, Sneha. Sorry? My friends.
No. What he is asking, the heroines from Punjab who gave you any advice?
Yes, about Simran ma'am.
Yeah, talk about it.
They actually said about Simran ma'am. So that's how.
She gave any advice to you,
Who?
Simran?
No.
No. Anybody gave you any advice?
Yes, I should say Sneha.
Sneha.
ma'am, yeah.
Yeah, talk about it, please.
Yes, I speak about
That's
Sneha now
when,
that
how,
we met in like a common place. So she just said me, Preeti, you should do what you like, just not for homely. That time I was shooting Marumukam, so that's how I met her. So she said, you should be comfortable with the character. Do what it should be, glamour, it should be, homely, it should be anything, So, see, she just told me that. So I really appreciate and really, like that the senior actors appreciate you like that and they keep you somewhere. So I really like, and I'm thankful to her.
How many languages you are knowing? How many languages you know?
Sorry?
how many languages you know?
I know only Tamil, English, Hindi, like that.
Tamil, English, Hindi.
Punjabi, Sindhi,
Punjabi.
Gujarati, all the north, Marathi, all that.
Marathi. No.
Yeah. Role model.
You have done any other movies in any other languages?
No, I didn't.
ஏதாவது இந்த காதல் கல்யாணம் அந்த மாதிரி ஏதாவது பரபரப்பாக கேட்டிங்கன்னா நாளைக்கு ஏதாவது டைட்டில் போடுறதுக்கு யூஸ் ஆகுங்க. கேளுங்க பாவம்லாம் ஒன்றும் கிடையாது. அப்படி போடுங்க, வாங்க அப்படி வாங்க வலிக்கு.
Sorry?
குடும்பத்தில் குழப்பத்தை விட்டுறாங்க.
Huh? I didn't get you.
Kissing scenes.
Kissing scenes. Yeah, it was in Marumugam.
Yeah, you talk about the lip kiss in Marumugam.
Okay. It was in Marumugam and it was... see, if you say like how Sir said, Mumbai girls are very, like why they want to do glamour and all. For them, it's... I should not say they are very broad-minded and all. It's wrong then. For me, it's a scene. So what director sir said, it's required to the script. So I just did that. And it was really, yes, for a minute we were so nervous to do that. So that's how it happened.
Would you want to draw a line with respect to doing glamour roles? Where do you want to draw the line? Like you wouldn't prefer doing some kind of glamour orientation? Is there a line you would like to draw or you're open?
I can't say it's open. It's every character has some limits. So for glamour also has some, the line. So you should not always...
Can you define it? Can you elaborate a bit?
If I elaborate, I should say it should not be vulgar. If I say, it should, if family or kids or anyone, our family also comes and watch the movie, so they should not feel bad. What is this? And, that should not be there. So, otherwise glamour is fine.
Is there any kind of specific role other than that one which you dream of taking up? Some kind of role, maybe a woman-centric character which you prefer to take up and enact yourself?
Actually, I like to be going with heroine-oriented movies. If you see, I choose Marumugam because it's more over the girl. The girl has to run that. Same in Uyir Kuiraga, it's also like that. So yes, coming up projects I see in that way, where girls, get so much of importance with the message, with the respect, So I go for that actually.
If you are going for any hero movies, you won't get it. Then how you will do it?
No, there should be, a girl importance should be there. I don't want to just come for two, songs and just come for 3 scenes and go back.
If it is Ajit,
Sorry?
what about if it is Ajit? There is no heroine oriented film, but a film of a bigger hero. Will you accept or wait for a heroine oriented film?
You understand? Can I explain? Yeah. If you are going for Ajit movie, like Heroes movie,
Yeah.
they are calling you as a heroine. If you are ready to do that, or otherwise you will wait for the heroine's important roles.
If I say Ajit sir, I'm a fan of Ajit sir, so I should say yes, I'll go for that.
Your policy about heroine orientation movies will not be so large.
For Ajit only. Ajitkaக நாங்க விட்டு
Sir.
கொடுப்போம்ன்றாங்க வேற ஒண்ணும்
Yeah.
Like
Sorry.
about your opinion in love.
Love?
Are you loving anybody in
No. No. Sorry? Yeah. Yeah, I love them. Sorry?
Yeah. அது வந்து தமிழ் இண்டஸ்ட்ரியில் அந்த அர்த்தம் கிடையாது. அம்மா அப்பாவை லவ் பண்ணுறேன்னு சொன்னா ஃபேக்லாம் சொல்லாதப்பான்னு சொல்லிடுவீங்க. அதனால இன்னும் லவ் பண்ண ஆரம்பிக்கல.
உயிருக்கு ஒரு உயிராக மருமக ரெண்டு ஹீரோ நடிக்கிறீங்க.
Yeah.
ரெண்டு பேர்ல யார் உங்களுக்கு ஆப்டா இருக்கா? யார் ரொம்ப க்ளோஸா?
I can't say that. Actor, you said, right? Who? Actor, that's what I'm saying. Comfortable to me.
4 ஹீரோ. Daniel Balaji, Anup, and Sanjeev against Sharan. 4 people. In the 4 people, who you like most?
I can't define like that because in the set they were so comfortable kind of. So I can't say only one person. It will be bad then. So I felt they were so comfortable with me. So I didn't get that feeling. I'm not comfortable whether I know Tamil or I don't know my dialogues or whatever. They were comfortable. They are good guys and good actors. So I felt comfortable.
Have you seen any Tamil film about your acting?
Sorry?
Have you seen any Tamil film in recent days about your acting?
Apart from your acting movies, did you watch any Tamil movies?
Not recently. It was like Idar Neechal what I saw last.
Yeah. எதிர் நீச்சல் பார்த்தேன்.
By your own experience, madam.
Praise your manager.
Sorry?
Is there any scope for falling in love or getting romantic? Praise your manager.
Well, it's a personal question actually. But
Feel about it.
Yeah, you can answer.
Would you like to fall in love and get married or?
yeah, exactly. I do that. If the time comes, yes, obviously. First I like to be with person and love that person, then only I can.
By your own experience, can you explain the difference between modeling and acting?
Modeling is very much different and acting is very much different. From my perspective is that because when I was doing modeling, it's only the ramp shows, the designer ramp shows and all you can do it. But acting is completely different. You live your life in acting, I should say. Modeling, it's not that. And in acting, you have so many faces, the crying, the smiley, the love, the romance, the dramatic, everything you have, the fun. So I feel for me, it's very, different. Which is easy for me. No modeling. I'm not comfortable with just be stiff and like how you guys are staring me right now and making me nervous. So
Madam, which
I
field
feel
do you feel secure, whether it's modeling field or cinema industry?
cinema
Which is secure?
industry.
Cinema industry.
Yes.
Are you interested in doing anti-heroine roles?
Sorry.
Are you interested in doing anti-heroine roles? I mean, villain.
No. I'm sorry. I won't go for that.
Yeah, will you do anti-heroine?
No. I won't do.
Any other questions? Yes, thank you so much.